Okay, can we get your name, please?
My name is Nicole Cowan.
And are you okay, Nicole?
I am okay.
And what are you going to make for us tonight?
I am going to be making a professional peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay, and we want to explain to us how you do this as you do it, please.
Okay, so first we're going to grab a piece of bread in front. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and you have to open the bread.
Okay, well, easy, Nicole. Easy.
Sorry, I get a little bit ahead of myself. Okay, take a slice of bread. Take it out of the bag.
Okay.
And we put it on the plate. Okay, we grab the knife. Grab the knife. There you go. There's the knife. Okay. Okay, then we grab the peanut butter. Peanut butter. Yeah, here's the peanut butter.
Okay. Is it creamy or crunchy?
This is super crunchy.
Can we see it?
Okay.
Oh, yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes,
very,
yes. Okay.
Very tasty.
Okay.
Okay, we're only putting it on. Okay, hold on. Okay, we are only gonna spread it on half of the bread.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you try it before you do it?
Yeah,
you should taste it.
I should.
You should
Make sure it's okay.
Take a bite. You should take a bite.
Okay.
Just take a bite. Be careful.
Okay,
yeah.
careful, Cheyenne.
Let's keep this professional. Take a little bite.
Okay, bring it to my face a little bit.
Okay. Do you always make them like that?
I do. It's just the way I do it.
Okay. You want jam? Are you gonna try it first? Okay. Have a bite. Okay. Oh, you like it.
Right.
You like it. Okay, let's put some jelly on it. What kind of jelly do you like?
Raspberry.
Blackberry? Okay. Okay. You want a bite of that before you... Is it blackberry? Okay.
I love the raspberry.
Okay. I love the Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Do you work in a restaurant somewhere?
Oh, very. 5 stars.
Do you eat these a lot?
I've always asked my peanut butter jelly.
Do you think that's enough jelly? Is that a jelly donut or a peanut BJ?
Well, we go a little bit loud in the peanut butter jelly because remember it's super crunchy. Okay, great.
What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You got some on your chin.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
What
Thank you so much for telling me that. I didn't notice.
You got a little bit on
embarrassing.
There's a little bit on your forehead.
Thank you.
Well, you should lick your fingers and get it all off. Okay. Are you done?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, are you good? Okay.
Now, this is professional.
Okay.
You won't.
Okay.
You won't find a peanut butter jelly as good as that one.
No, you won't. No, you won't. Okay, are you signing off, Sayonara? Okay, all right.
Sayonara.